Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to contact Google Support live chat. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to contact Google Support live chat, you have to follow these steps. First, open any web browser on your device. Once the browser opens, go to the search bar and type Google Support chat, then press enter. From the search results, open a Google Support help page that allows you to contact support. Once the page loads, you will be asked to describe the issue you are experiencing. Enter a short description of your problem in the provided field. After typing your issue, click on Read More or the related help option. Next, follow the on-screen instructions provided on the page. Google may guide you through a few troubleshooting steps related to your issue. Carefully complete these steps and then scroll down and click on Next Step. After that, you will be taken to a contact options page. On this page, you may see different support methods such as email and live chat. If the live chat option is available for your issue or product, simply click on live chat. Once you click on it, a chat window will open and you will be able to start chatting directly with a Google support representative who can help resolve your problem. And that's it. So that's basically how you can contact Google Support live chat. So that's all for this video.